Saudi Aramco is worth no more than $1.5 trillion United States dollars, a Bloomberg News poll of money managers showed on Friday, 2 days before the Saudi oil giant is set to announce a price range for the world's biggest initial public offering (IPO) ever. According to 40% of 24 investors surveyed by Bloomberg, Aramco's value is between $1.2 trillion United States dollars and $1.5 trillion United States dollars. The high end of this estimate is still $500 billion United States dollars below the coveted $2 trillion United States dollars valuation, on which Saudi Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman has insisted since he announced plans for Aramco to go public more than 3 years ago. In recent weeks, the Saudis have been reportedly signaling they could be willing to compromise on the valuation, and banks now look to hit a valuation of $1 United States dollar and 60 cents trillion, $1.8 trillion United States dollars. Saudi Aramco's prospectus of 658 pages published this past weekend was very scarce on details. The number of shares, the price and date of the listing remain shrouded in mystery, even after Aramco released its long-awaited IPO prospectus. The book-building process is set to start this coming Sunday, and 11 out of the 24 investors polled by Bloomberg will wait to see the official price range announcement before deciding if they will invest in the world's largest oil firm. In what could be just days ahead of the most anticipated IPO ever, investment banks continue to give enormous ranges in their low and high estimates of how much Aramco is really worth. Morgan Stanley is the latest bank to have put a massive $1 trillion United States dollars gap between the low and high estimates of Saudi Aramco, Bloomberg reported earlier this week, citing a presentation it has seen. Nearly all banks have huge gaps in their low-end and high-end valuations. The valuations from 16 banks that have come up with estimates range from as low as $1.1 trillion United States dollars to as high as $2.5 trillion United States dollars, Bloomberg says, quoting people who have reviewed all estimates. The midpoint of the bank's valuation is $1.75 trillion United States